Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin with a walk around at the exterior of this superb 430D M Sport Gran Coupe presented in the Estoril Blue. Alongside that, we have of course fitted one of our YNC Mperformance body styling kits to the vehicle. The car comes equipped with the 19-inch 704M alloy wheels, which are finished in the original Bi-Orbit grey and are also in fantastic condition, much like the rest of this vehicle. At the front of the car, you'll see it's a 2018 18 plate, so of course it also inherits that lovely facelift. Shortly we'll walk around and I'll go ahead and take a seat inside the car. For now, we're just going to go around and I'll show you the overall condition of this vehicle. Alongside our wonderful YNC Mperformance body styling kit, the vehicle comes with some very nice BMW optional extras. One of the main talking points is the BMW M Sport Plus pack, so we get much larger front and rear M Sport Plus brakes. The sun protection glazing, you'll see down the side of the vehicle we've added these satin side vinyls, matching sidebars and the YNC Mperformance decals. Another very standout and sought after option is the Comfort Access package, also known as keyless entry, so I can walk up to the car and I can simply unlock the car without having to click any buttons. Very useful should your hands be full. Inside the car we've got a black Dakota leather in this vehicle, which comes with the heated electric movement and memory for driver's side, and again all in nice condition. You'll see there the Harman Kardon surround sound, once again thanks to that Plus pack, and everything in terms of the interior is again fantastically presented. Moving round towards the rear, there you'll see the Isofix 3-seat rear bench, a central folding armrest, and again everything looks very clean and tidy. We've also got the darkened M Sport headlining, once again looking very nice set against all of that black Dakota leather. Round towards the rear, again showing you off the incredible 19-inch alloy wheels. So at the rear of the car, again as part of that facelift, BMW introduced these very nice sharpened rear LED lights. You get a satin rear diffuser and a high gloss rear boot spoiler that we've added, along with the automatic opening and closing tailgate, which if you've not yet already seen, the Gran Coupes come with a humongous boot along with split folding seats, and there you'll see again everything is very nice, clean and tidy on a 2018 plate 430D that's covered the very low mileage of just over 12,000 miles. Again showing you off that lovely Estoril Blue colour and taking in everything, how well this vehicle really does work with one of our YNC Mperformance body styling kits. We're going to go on and get inside because there is yet more very special features to go through on this stunning car. We've also got the interior comfort package in the form of that. We get power folding mirrors and the comfort access package as well. And the extended storage, should I say, so we get a little bit more storage around the vehicle. So first of all, we'll start the car up and just show you a couple of the features and functions. So once it runs through its service message display, as you can see there, the service is not due for 11,000 miles. Straight away it will come up saying that the vehicle's covered just over 12,000 miles, as I said, 12,089 to be precise. Not only have we got that lovely widescreen, it's the Professional Plus, so it is all touchscreen, as you can see there, so I can swipe effortlessly between the different sub-menus. But however, if you're not a fan of touchscreens, don't panic, because we've still got the lovely iDrive scroll wheel down here. However, for the demonstration, I'm going to be using the touchscreen because it is a very nice user-friendly system. Starting with the Connected Drive Plus, which again is a option feature. We've got access to news, weather and online search functions utilising the vehicle's own onboard 4G network, which is a very useful system for when you're out and about in the car. In terms of the vehicle service information and service requirements, we've seen that the service is not due for a long time. In terms of the engine oil, it's not due a service for 11,000 miles time, and the rest of the service requirements are of course all in green. However, service history wise, there you can see on screen we've got full BMW service history, including the pre-delivery inspection service. Whilst not always essential, it is always of course nice to have that there present and correct. We've also got the lovely widescreen map view, of course, with real-time traffic updates, being that we're on the newer iDrive, keeping you on the fastest route possible. Going through to the communications menu, which is obviously where you'll pair your devices for Bluetooth audio and of course the Bluetooth telephone. And your multimedia, again you've got such a wide array here to choose from. You've got DAB, music collection and USB and AUX inputs. Down here is where you'll find the dual climate controls and of course your switches for the heated seats. And across back to the multifunction M Sport steering wheel, where of course we've also got the flappy paddles for that absolutely incredible 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, which of course is being combined with that lovely 3-litre engine up front. Cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls as well. all of which can be used to be controlled that fantastic Harman Kardon surround sound, which we've already mentioned. So thank you for taking the time to watch this walk around video. I do hope you've of course enjoyed it. Hopefully it'll help you make an informed decision upon purchasing your next car. Most of all though guys, I really do hope to see yourselves very soon. For further information, check down below in the description, where of course you can check out our website along with direct contact details for us here at Your Next Car. Thank you guys, we do hope to see yourself soon. Take care, goodbye.